All right. 1 minute. Let me increase the volume. Online team. So I'm sorry. No offline team also today. Team, can you hear me? Is my voice is clear? Can I get a response? Anyone, please. Okay. Yeah. So 1 minute. There are few guys. They are facing issue. To get the link, let me share this link with them. Thank you. Good. So thank you for your kind response. Then let us start the session. We'll start the session. Okay. Good. Fine. As usual. Today, let me prepare the running notes actually. We are entering into very important session. Please keep focus. Series. What is the topic? Mostly it is attributes, and if possible, we'll see methods also. Methods, attributes, and methods. That is 12. The topic heading is attributes and methods. I'm sure we done this one yesterday. Let me change the status actually for this one, and even this one we are done, and so this is the running topic, and this one is the good. So such a nice topic actually. Let us continue. Then, if anyone joined just now, I'm going to start the session actually. So fine. In previously, I just covered so pandas introduction, series introduction, none value, and today we are going to continue with the attribute actually. From the pandas introduction, you should understand if the client have given the data, with the data we need to do the data analysis. The data analysis will be done by using pandas. Step number one. In step number two, what you need to understand is, in a pandas, we do have a data structures. There are mainly now. Can you talk actually? How many data structures? Tell me, boss. I wanted to hear from you. Can somebody talk with me? No response. What happened? Come on, tell me, boss. The first one is series. Good. Sriram sir, nice response. Second one, data frame. Shivani, Dharani. All right. So the third, Sriram sir. Third one is a panel actually. Very good. Series data frame panel. Good. And the last point, what you need to understand is how to install pandas. We can install pandas by using pip install pandas actually. Very good. Nice response. Das, Kumar Das, Begum, Shashank. Nice response, man. Once after we done that, I just explained about, sir, whenever you're installing pandas, ensure that you should have internet connection actually. Otherwise, you will get a keep on one warning. Warning. The name is a reconnecting, something like that. And the next topic will be series introduction. It's a very simple. When I'm talking about the series introduction, series can contain. It's a very simple, sir. I have confused that syntax, not understand actually. Good. Let me tell you. Kumar, sir, let me tell you one point actually. Good point. It's a very simple. I have confused that, not understanding. Even let me tell you. Python function. Python, what exactly? Function. When I'm talking about the Python function, frankly speaking, this one also confused syntax actually. This one also what exactly confused syntax. But the point will be, though this is the syntax never ever change actually. Number of times practice required, sir. So there is no shortcut actually. Number of times practice is required. You have to by heart. You have to mug up actually. Like a B C D E F G. How you prepared, you have to prepare in such a way that. Did you understand? Even I prepared in such a way that. I hope I need a response from you. Can I get a response from you? Online team, just hold on. Just give me 1 minute. All right, thank you. So nothing, everything is easy. Everything is easy. Don't worry actually. Yeah, the next one is a series actually. Series means it can store single column data. And yesterday I have explained about how many ways would you have to create a series actually. By using a list we can create, and by using array I will explain later actually. And when I'm talking about the series, it is having the index actually. That index is helping to capture the values that I covered actually. And there is a one important point when I'm talking about the series index. Can somebody tell me what is that important point? Can somebody tell me what is that important point? Ayo, no one is not talking, man. Dharani, Begum, Nampai, sorry. There is a one important point in terms of the index. Sir, just to we discussed it before 23 hours actually. I'm not getting a keyword argument you're talking. It is okay. Keyword argument. Sir, one point. What is the point? Anyway, you guys are putting all your points together. Actually, I am happy. At least you guys are responding. Sri Ram sir, Ganesh, Harish. Yeah, now out of all guys, I got a right point actually. What is the point? Sir, we can customize. That point is a very, very important. Anil, nice response actually. Right? Arati, so one more guy. Nice response. Let's move to the discussion. Once I explain about that one, I have explained about none value. None value having that different name, that is nothing but a missing value. So the optional value, kind of some empty value. These are all things actually. Good. All right. Good. Let's continue. So the topic name is attribute actually. Let us just try to continue the discussion. Tim, keep in mind that the very, very important topic, please focus on this one. So did you remember in Python, there is a one common topic I have covered actually. What is a common topic? str. Str is what exactly? Class. Class contains what exactly, sir? Methods. Very good. Class contains what exactly? Methods. Please don't ask what is a method, sir. I will cry actually because we done these are all discussion. Next one. List. List is a class. Predefined class. List class can contains what exactly? Methods. Same thing like that. Tuple. Tuple is what exactly? Class. As usual, the same story, man. I just wanted to write remaining things also so that you will understand. We covered these points since a long back actually. Class. This is the method. Why I'm writing every time only one topic, we have to please hold your anxiety. Dictionary. Class. Only one point we covered, that is nothing but a method. Sir, conclusion of the story. In Python, we do have a classes. Yes, these are all predefined classes. Almost all classes we covered about only one method actually. Now coming to the point, when it comes to pandas also having the classes actually. Wow, pandas also having what exactly? Classes. When I'm talking about the pandas classes, The as usual point you need to understand. The first one is a series. First one is what exactly, sir? Series actually. Hold on 1 minute. Let us make it frame. Very nice frame actually. Good. Series class. And yes, it is a class. And a series class can contain. Sir, in Python classes, we covered only one methods, right? You know, in pandas classes, two things would you have. The first one is attributes actually. First one is what exactly attribute. Second one is methods. Wow, this point you need to understand. I'm repeating again. When I'm talking about the pandas also having the classes actually, but ensure that pandas class contains two things, sir. Please remember, few guys are sleeping. All the best for your career, sir. Even in online session also, you guys are sleeping actually. Come on. When you're talking about the pandas classes, mainly two things you need to understand. First one is the attribute actually. Second one is the method. I will tell you what is an attribute. Today discussion is the same thing actually. Yeah, next one. You know, 1 minute. Yeah, good. So same thing. Second one is what exactly data frame. Data frame also having the class. Class also having what exactly? The first one is attribute, and the second one is attribute, and second one is methods actually. Good. We'll see. Step by step, we'll see. Right. We'll see. Please focus on this one. Now the today discussion will be series is a class. Series class can contain attributes. This is the today discussion, sir. This is the today discussion. Let us continue. But let me tell you, seems to be attributes we already know. Only name change actually. Only what exactly, sir? Name change. I will repeat one more time. Don't worry. Good. First point you need to understand. What is the point? Series is a predefined class. Good. Series class contains predefined attributes. Predefined what exactly? Attribute. Sir, it is having another name also. Attributes having what exactly? Another name also. Attributes is also called as a instance variable. Attribute is also called as what exactly? Instance variable. I will tell one more time. Now you need to understand, the purpose of, the purpose of attributes is returns information or else gives the information. I will tell you what to mean by information. Team, very very important discussion, sir. When you're talking about the attribute, the purpose of attribute is return the information, otherwise gives the information, giving the information, giving the information about series object. About what exactly? Series object. Practical I will show you. Now let me minimize everything. Team, are you getting what I'm saying? Come on, can I get a response, please? Are you getting, sir, what I'm saying? Come on, only one response. Why not many actually? Good, good, good. So I will show you practical example, sir. I will show you practical example. Cool. Yeah, Sriram, sir, you're right actually. That is as usual. That is as usual. Now let me show you. First of all, without series, I will show you the attribute actually. With the series also, I will show you the attribute. Good. Keep in mind that. Now I'm going to write a one class, sir. Class, please focus. Daniel, class, Daniel, DEF, class, Daniel, DEF. What exactly I'm doing, please focus on this one. Underscore, underscore, INIT, underscore, underscore, self, comma, name, comma, something like a number. Good. Fine. Self dot name. Did you remember, sir, this one? Self dot number equals to number. Very good. Yeah, good. Now I just wanted to t equals to Daniel. Yeah. So you have created a class. Class contains what exactly, sir? Constructor. Inside constructor, you are trying to creating a instance variable. Good. Now the first one is the name, right? Now let us just try to come here. Can I make it? This one is just something like a employee actually. I'm sorry. Let me just try to change the name of the class. Cool. Employee. I'm just trying to changing the name of the class is nothing but a employee actually. Good. First parameter, let me provide Daniel. Next one. Second parameter, 101. Second parameter is what exactly, sir? 101. Good. So D dot name. Next one is what exactly, D dot something like a number. Team, please focus on this one. Here, name is called as a is called as attribute or instance variable. Attribute or what exactly, sir? Instance variable. Instance variable or attribute you can get by using object name. You can print by using what exactly, sir? Object name. And one more point. What is the point you need to understand? Sir, whenever you are calling the attribute is giving the information like what is the name actually? Daniel. What is the name actually? Can somebody tell me? Daniel. What is the number actually? 101. Can I say this is the just it is giving the information actually? Come on, sir. No one is not talking. Are you getting actually or not? I need a response, man. Now here what you need to understand, So please focus. Let us have it the same discussion here also. Let us have what exactly the same discussion. What is the discussion? The point will be Daniel is a user defined class. Daniel is what exactly, sir? User defined. User what exactly? Defined class. Okay. Daniel class. Good. Daniel class contains predefined. Here instead of predefined, user defined attributes also called as instance variable. The purpose of attributes nothing but giving the information about what object actually. Daniel object, sir. Whenever you are talking about the attribute, keep in mind that attribute you can call by using name of the object. Attribute you can call by using what exactly? Name of the object. Name of the object. Can I get a response? Are you getting everyone? Sir, are you getting everyone or not? I will repeat one more time, don't worry. I will show this example one more time practically. It's a very simple. Who are all done nice practice previously? These are all examples, something like a button here, eating chocolate actually, something like that. Who are all not done practice, you can just try to celebrate the festival, sir. Now let me just try to show the example. Simple. What I'm just trying to creating, go and get the class. Come on. Yeah. Now save this example demo. I have one question. Get ready. I'm going to ask one question. Actually, I just wanted to hear from you. So let me just try to run this example. Please focus. This example thoroughly you need to do actually. Can somebody tell me to execute to Daniel? First of all, Daniel is information. Backend, what is the attribute name actually? Can somebody talk with me? Backend, what is the attribute name? Very good, sir. Srikanth. Somebody is telling my system voice is slow actually, but what about others? What about others? Is my voice is clear or else any blockers? Very clear. Seems to be my voice is very clear. If anyone is not hearing my voice, please rejoin actually. Everyone is telling my voice is pretty clear actually. Let me continue the session. Let me continue this session. Good. Sir, I have a one question. Go to the example. Yeah, name. Name is nothing but an attribute. Number is nothing but an what exactly? Attribute. Here name and here number, sir. I'm sorry. Very good. Number is nothing but an attribute actually. Now let me just try to call one more thing. What is that one? Let me include location also, sir. Come on, give a comma here. Location. Now you have to please tell me what are all things I need to write here. What are all things I need to write here actually? Tell me. What is the first question mark? 1 minute. 1 minute. I understand. Uh, you know, maybe good point actually. One of our teammate is telling today's session is a very slow, like energyless actually. Begum ma'am, and daily I used to take the session at Naresh IT. Though today I'm taking session at my native, right? Generally in my native, I mean, even offline student, I need to connect with them. Offline students, first time they're attending offline, right? Online. So I'm considering them, and that's what my session will be somewhat slow actually. Sorry for this one. Okay. Offline team joined over online actually. Very good. Thank you. Thank you for understanding. But feel like it is a kind of slow revision actually. Okay, cool. But I'm most active person. Let's move on. Okay, come on, sir. First one is a self. Next one is location. And you know what? This one is nothing but a location. Perfectly all right. Now come here. What exactly I need to write here? Kaiklur. And can somebody talk with me? And this one is what exactly, sir? Print. Sir, can I call location directly? Who is saying yes actually? Sir, if anyone saying yes, I hope you are having my mobile number. You can call me, sir, please. Yeah, then how to call actually? How to call, man? Tell me. Then exactly, exactly. I hope you understand very clearly. I hope you understand very clearly. So here location is called as either you can say attribute or instance variable. Sir, now it's a right time. You got understand very clearly this topic actually. Let us move on with the actual topic. The topic name is a series attributes actually. Get ready. Get ready. Keep in mind that this syntax, if you understand what exactly I'm planning to do, S equals to series object I'm creating actually. Now S dot some attribute name I'm calling, some attribute I'm calling actually. Keep in mind that this syntax I'm going to cover actually. Right, good. Now let's just try to open the material. Yeah, it's a very simple. Please keep in mind that. Series attributes. Sir, I hope I already covered actually. Series is a predefined class. Series having what exactly? Different attributes. These attributes returns information about the object. These attributes returns information about what exactly? Object actually. Good. Now please ensure that. Let me create one small example. Let me create what exactly? Small example. Yeah, come on. Import pandas as PD. Good. Something like a equals to 10, 20, 30, come on, 40, 50. Now S equals to PD dot series. Here let me provide A. And let me just try to print S actually. Let me just try to print yes. Instead of printing S actually, let me write one small information. Series object created, object name is yes. Keep in mind that why I'm writing this one, I will tell you. Now get ready, sir. What is output you are getting actually? The output is series object is created and created, and loaded with the data. Loaded with what exactly? Data. Okay. Series object is created and loaded with the data. Object name is a yes actually. Object name is what exactly? Yes. Now you have to think in such a way that there is a one object. This object name is a yes actually. This object name is what exactly? Yes, successfully object is created. And the beauty will be inside of this object, we do have a data. We do have what exactly? Data. Now, any one of you may ask a question. Array Daniel, I just wanted to see what is the data instead of yes actually. I just wanted to see what is the data instead of s actually. I mean to say that what is the first value, second value, third value, fourth value. If you wanted to see what is the data, then what you guys need to do, sir, yes dot values attribute you need to call actually. I'm repeating one more time. Inside of series object, we do have a data, generally assuming that this object I'm giving to you. I'm not revealing what the data it contains actually. I'm not revealing actually. I'm telling like remain this is the diamond, you can take it out actually. Instead of this one, if you wanted to see what is the data, then what you need to do, successfully I'm giving this object to you. Inside of that object, what kind of data it is available if you wanted to see? S dot values. Now here values is nothing but an attribute. Indirectly, these values will return all values inside in S object actually. Just try to see. Wow, seriously amazing, man. Seriously amazing. Did you understand now? Man, can I get a response, please? Can I get a response? That point you need to understand. Very good. Seriously, very good actually. If you want, I will repeat one more time. A simple man. By looking at this example, what you need to understand, the point is, it's a very simple. So there is a small story. That story, let me explain actually. The story will be, assuming that my name is a Daniel. I have created a one object. I have created one series object. Series object actually. Object name is called as a yes. But you don't know, the point will be, you don't know, you don't know what data I have loaded with yes object actually. Then you should not ask a question like, you should not ask a question. What is the question? Show me the data. Instead of asking a question, instead of asking question, if you wanted to see the data, if you wanted to, see the data from yes object, then simple man, then simple access like below. Access what exactly? Like below. How you can access, what is the name of the object actually? Yes dot values. Oh, perfectly, you're right. Means, man, array boss, I have created one object successfully, but I'm not telling what data I have loaded actually. Why? Because I might be a busy guy, right? Exactly, you catch my point actually. Values is not a predefined keyword, it is a predefined attribute actually. That point you need to understand, right? So I hope you understand it very clearly. Now just try to come here. Values is a predefined attribute in a series class by using series object. By using what exactly? Series object. This attribute returns the group of the values as an array. This attribute returns what exactly, sir? Group of values as an array. It is array information. As of now, think like array is something like a list only. Keep in mind that an actual. Sir, now today let me tell you difference between attribute and method. Difference between what exactly, sir? Attribute and method. Assuming that S is series object. S is what exactly? Series object. Then S dot attribute. This is the syntax actually. S dot values. Next one. S dot something like a method. S dot something like what exactly? Method. And here exactly S dot head method. I will tell you what do you mean by head method actually. Sir, it's a very simple. When I'm talking about the attribute, no parenthesis symbol. Please focus on this. When I'm talking about the attribute, no parenthesis symbol. When I'm talking about the method, array man, parenthesis symbol is really required actually. Did you understand? Kusuma Reddy, seriously super. Kusuma, nice response actually. Keshava, exactly man. Keshava, you catch my point actually. You catch my point. Absolutely all right. Fine then. Can I move on to the next discussion? Exactly. Pavan, you are right. But I can cover that point later actually. By this time, I hope I have given a nice kick introduction about the attribute actually. It's a right time I need to move on to the second attribute. Otherwise, you guys will feel very bored actually. Good. I'm sure you understand this very well. Good. So previously, one student asked one question actually. Previously, one student asked one question. What is the question, Are Daniel, because see 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, we already know the data which we already having actually. Am I right or not, sir? But you may ask a question. What is the question? Why why we are displaying the value? Are man, assuming that what I'm telling, I'm not showing my code actually. I'm not showing my code actually. I'm telling boss, Here, S is series object. S is what object actually? Series object. Series object. Then, if you if you wanted to see the data instead of yes actually instead of yes, then do below syntax. Do what exactly? I am sure by this time you should understand, man. No one cannot explain like this actually. I mean, previously what I created, I'm not telling, but at least I'm giving only one information. What is that information? My object name is a yes, actually. My object name is what exactly? Yes, actually. Right? Yep. I hope you got it. Take this example. Let me just try to write inside in Notepad also. Cool, man. Cool, cool, cool. Come on. Good. Move on to the next one. What is the next one? Next attribute name is a value. Yeah. Not only, not only numbers, it works with the string also. It should work with any data. It should work with any data, right? If you want, you can just try to come here very quickly. Yeah, let me just try to let me tell you here. Let me load the data with what exactly, just try to come here. Daniel, Sriram sir actually. Next one, Naresh sir. Good. Now, yes dot man, can I ask a question? I wanted to see instead of series what data we do have actually. Now you tell me. I wanted to see instead of yes, sir, we do have a data. Now you tell me how to access actually. Sir, if you didn't reply, I will cry actually. Why? Because I'm roaring like a dog. Yeah, yeah, exactly. You catch my point. You catch my point, man. Come on. Print of yes dot values. Okay. Values is an attribute. Indirectly, it is helping you to capture the data. This is seriously super. You don't know what data it is having actually, but you are able to capture. Srinivas, Dharani, Kusuma, nice response, man. Now let's move to the next example. Index. God, this is a seriously super. Now same thing like that. Successfully I have created an object. The same thing like that. Now I'm not talking about the data loaded with the data. And now here let me add one more point actually. What is that point? Loaded with the data. And yes object having index values. Index what exactly, sir? Values. Indices, otherwise indices actually. Object name is a yes. Now read the sentence, everyone will understand. Sir, my question will be, series object is created and loaded with the data. If you wanted to capture the data, the attribute name is a dot values. If you wanted to capture the data, the attribute name is a values. Are boss, if you wanted to capture the indexes actually, something like a all indices, the attribute name is what exactly, now you can come here. The attribute name is a print dot yes dot index. I'm sorry, not a print dot actually, print of yes dot index. Yes dot index. Then all indices it will return actually. Cool, very cool, man. Wow, perfectly all right. What it is telling, assuming that we do have 100 indices actually. Instead of displaying what is the starting value, what is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, something like this, it is written one object actually. Instead of this, did you remember? Very man command. Did you remember? In Python, range data type I covered actually. Similarly, almost 99% it is the same actually. Starting value is a 0 and end value is what exactly 3. And end value is what exactly 3 actually. Srikant sir. Okay, okay, cool. Very nice question. I'm getting good question actually. Both are same, sir. Both are same actually. Sir, values and index attributes as well as instance variable. Exactly. The answer will be 100% valid answer. Valid answer. And now, anyway, Srikant sir may ask you another question. Srikant sir may ask another question. What is the Srikant question? Srikant sir question, Srikant sir question. Question will be, can you prove? Can you prove? Prove. Values and index are attributes. Attributes in yes object actually. Hey man, can anyone answer this question? Now, come on, come on, come on. Let me see who are answering first actually. Can somebody prove actually? I wanted to prove. Oh, very good, man. Harish, nice response. Kusma, nice response. Very good, actually. Harish, Kusuma, very nice response. The answer will be by using dir. By using what exactly, sir? Dir actually. Good. So let me show you that one. By this time, I have covered two attributes. The first one is a s dot values. Second one is s dot index actually. S dot index explanation is not yet done. Hold on. Let me show you. From here, yeah, print of dir of that yes object name you can provide dir of s actually. This is seriously super. Now inside of series you may get a lot of things actually. Don't focus on everything. uh, did you notice at, at last values is available, sir? Did you see here actually? Wow, seriously amazing. And index somewhere it should be available. Where it is, sir? Where it went actually? It went to Amirpet for Pongal festival or what exactly? Yeah, here it is actually. Seriously amazing. Did you understand? Did you understand or not? It's a very simple. These are all basic fundamentals, and you should be strong in these are all fundamentals actually. All right, let's just try to take this example very nicely. Keshav, we should not provide. Keshav, sir, we should not provide actually. Okay, thank you. Let's move to the discussion. Now I have a one question. What is my question? I have one question. Get ready. Yeah. What is the purpose of attribute? Any idea? Purpose of attribute. Just now I answered actually. The answer will be, during my explanation I answered. Can somebody tell me what is the purpose of attribute? Wow, Harish, such a nice response, man. Such a nice response actually. Very quickly, very quickly. That's what Harish response will be. Right, Daniel, it is a very simple getting the information exactly, or else returning the information. Dharani also nice response. Returning the information actually. This is seriously super. Nice answers from two students actually. Yeah, all right. I hope you got it. Let us move on. And move on to the next example. Sir, if the 1 minute print of s dot index. See, you know, if the index is something like a 0, 1, 2, 3, it is giving something like a started from 0 and end with what exactly 3. Let me print the yes, sir. Let me print yes object clearly. Let me print yes object clearly. Let me just try to print yes. Look at my screen very clearly. Yeah, 0, 1, 2. Starting index is that 0. Stop index is something like a 3 means 3 minus 1. What is the 3 minus 1? 2. That's what we are getting. These are all things actually. Am I right? Good. Now, I have another question. Read Daniel. The index will be instead of 0, 1, 2. Customized index we do have. Here 11 is available, 22 is available, 33 is available. In that scenario, how to do that one? Let me execute that example also, sir. Let me execute that example also. Okay, good. Come on here. I equals to let me provide 11, 99, 67. Very good. Can somebody talk with me? Give a index equals to what I need to provide. I here actually. Let me just try to. Wow, seriously very good, guys. I have a question. Get ready. I'm giving a small information to you. Series object is created in backend, loaded with the data and having the indices actually. Now you wanted to get the data. What I need to do? S dot values I need to apply. What we need to apply is dot values we need to apply. Get ready. Let us apply. Printed dot s dot values. Check it out. S dot values. Seriously, Superman. Now I don't want data. I just wanted to access the index. I just wanted to access what exactly? Index. Very nice. Perfectly alright. Just try to see. Wow. Index of 11, 99, 67. Did you understand now actually? I'm sorry. Did you understand now? I mean, either it is a normal index or else what exactly? Either it is a normal index or else customized index. Anything you can access, sir. Anything you can access it. Take this example. Sir, I'm explaining in such a way that everyone should understand actually. If anyone is unable to understand, please you can connect with me. That too, the session regularity is very very important. Pavan, we do have a separate discussion. Pavan point is valid actually. We do have a separate discussion. Something like assuming that there is a 10 lakhs indices, we do have how to handle. I will cover, sir. One Srinivasa. We can change the order also, sir. There is a method name is called as a set underscore index actually. By using that, we can change the order. We do have a separate discussion. There are good questions, two questions actually. Uh, you know, there are two questions. Let me fill out those questions. Come on. Series object is created that is fixed. Sir, in my example, the series object name is yes actually. In your example, you can give the series object name is a P. Then you have to call P dot values and you have to call P dot index actually. Did you understand? Kumar, in the given example, I am giving object name is a S. Then S is fixed for my program. All right. And more to the next question. What is the next question, sir? What our Sinvas is asking. Are Daniel, can we change the index in order? I was created index 45137, but hey, this is good question, man. We can do that. We can do that. The topic name is topic name is. Let me tell you what is the topic name. We'll discuss in upcoming, sir. Sorting something is there. Mhm. Yeah, sorting actually. During here, I can cover, sir, your question. Practical, I will show you. Kindly please, hold the anxiety actually. All right. Thank you, man. Good. Let's move on. Anyway, we are in the right pitch actually. Almost I covered. You have to walk through these all example. Yeah, here index still it can be somewhat strings also. The index still it can be some strings also. No matter what, either it is a string, number, some group of anything actually, it is able to access actually. Next one, D types. This is seriously Superman. This is what exactly seriously super. Now come here. Now let us just try to get ready. Let me create the example in front of you again. Come on. Import. I'm planning to create one small series, sir. Import pandas as BD. A equals to 10, 11, 22, 33, 44. S equals to PD dot series A. Good. Now I'm giving a small information to you. Get ready. Step number one. What I'm giving, I have created. I don't want to show you my data. I don't want to show you my program actually. I'm giving information. I have created series object. Object name is yes. Name is what exactly? Yes, actually. Okay. Next one. First point. How to get the data? Print. Second point. How to get the index? Third point. Print. How to get the data type? Get what exactly? Data type. It's a very simple man. Now just try to see. Let me just try to see this one. Oh, indirectly I'm giving information to you, but I'm not showing my series object. That's the beauty actually. Indirectly, what I'm telling, hey man, so why you want my data actually? Indirectly, I'm giving one small packet to you. Indirectly, I'm giving one small gift to you, assuming that this is the yes is a gift actually. I'm giving a small gift, though technical gift. I'm telling I have created one object. That object name is yes actually. Now instead of this one, what data is available? What is the index is available? What exactly index is available? What is the data type? This is your task to capture actually. Now, if you wanted to get the data, I hope you already know the answer actually. Come on, get ready to answer one by one. Yes, p dot values. Next one. Yes, what exactly, man? Index actually. Print yes dot d types, man. That's it. Apart from that, nothing. First two we already know. No, the last one. Something went wrong. What went wrong here? We are getting the data, D type or D type, sir. Hey, sorry, man. D types actually. D types. It's an attribute error. Come on. Yes, absolutely valid actually. Integer 64. Integer what exactly? 64. Sir, the way how I explained, I mean, during today's session, if if along with you, any one of your kids are sitting, any one of your kids or children are sitting, if you are having any doubt, you can ask those kids actually. Like that, I have explained actually. Am I right or not, sir? No one is not responding. What happened? Just I'm kidding, man. Perfectly all right. Good. Now these are all important attributes, attribute D types actually. You can just try to get it out. Here is a floating data type. Floating data type. Next one is here is a object data type. Here is what exactly I have explained about, like integer, object, float. These are all things, man. Come on. Now size also. Size is a predefined attribute in a series class. We can access size attribute by using series object. This attribute returns the number of values in a series. Wow, this is seriously Superman. Now the last question. Last question. How many values? How many values in yes object? In yes, what exactly object actually? Good. How many? I have created a successful one object. Actually, my question is very simple. I'm just trying to ask a question. My question will be, Arey man, how many objects would you? How many values would you have inside in series actually? I'm sorry. Then you can call length of yes also. Sir, did you remember length actually? In a long back before Independence Day, 1947, there is a one point I have covered actually. That point name is called as a length function. Please, I will do small namaskar. Don't tell like when we covered actually. Right now, like this also you can do actually. Am I right or not, sir? I hope you understand very clearly. Now let us explore this example. Come on, pretty good. Wow, four values would we have? Sir, along with this one, we do have a, what? S dot size. Here, length is a function. Length is what exactly, sir? Function from Python. Now, to get to know the size of series actually, why I supposed to go for Python? Let me create my own actually, right? Size is an attribute from pandas. From what exactly? Pandas actually. You know what? This is something like a once assuming that this is my family object actually. If my family object I have created, I need to call within my family discussion actually. Why I need to go to my parent family? So I mean, not required, frankly speaking. That's what pandas guys done. They created their own attribute to return the information actually. Seriously, super. See, in both scenarios, we are getting the four actually. In both scenarios, we are getting the four actually. Perfectly, all right, man. Kusma Reddy, you're right. You're absolutely right actually. Oh, seriously, seems to be in between the discussion. I got a one nice point actually. The point will be, what is the point? Pavan Kumar is telling your explanation is always super, sir. Everyone can understand. We are really glad actually, sir. I trust this is not biscuit actually. I'm just kidding, man. Thank you. If you most of the attributes are from pandas, functions are from Python actually. Yeah. Srikant, you're right, sir. Most of the attributes are from pandas, functions are from Python actually. Right. All right. Let's move to the discussion. Other guys are not responding. It is okay. Yeah, good. Let's go on. These are all important attributes, man. There are mainly three, four, on an average, four attributes I covered: values, index, t types, and size actually. Successfully, we done this chapter, how easy it is. Now the next topic is the methods. Very simple, get ready. We done this one. And next one is what exactly? Running topic. Maybe today is this is the topic we are going to close actually. And the next topic is, what is the next topic? Let us just try to go back to the index. Data frame introduction, maybe not today. After festival, we can discuss actually. upcoming topic. Loading the different files. Perfectly all right. Now, series methods. Sir, I already told you, right? So we already discussed at one point actually. What is the point, I would like to tell one more point. Yeah, go back and get one nice explanation actually. Before starting the class, I have given one nice explanation. What is that explanation? This point you need to understand. This point you need to understand. What is the point? Sir, in Python, we do have a data structure. The data structure will be list, tuple, set, dictionary. These are all classes. During Python discussion, when I'm explaining about the class, come on, listen one more time. During Python discussion, when I was explaining about the class, I'm always talking about the methods. A method, here is a method, there is a method. You should know how to access about the method actually. But let me tell you, the point will be when I'm talking about the pandas, yes, of course, series is a class. Here also class discussion is coming. But here, along with that method, some extra one more thing would you have actually. This is giving the information, gives information. Gives what exactly? Gives info. And this is what exactly, perform an operation. Perform an operation. Perform an action or operation actually. I hope you understand very clearly, man. It's a simple. When you're talking about the attribute, it returns an information of the object actually. When you're talking about the method, it performs an operation. It's a very simple. I will tell you very clearly actually. Team, are you clear? Can I get a response? Now the next discussion will be series class having the methods. What is the purpose of the method? Why we are using that method? I will tell you very clearly. Good. Now let us just try to have a discussion here. First of all, let me talk about class Daniel. Good. DEF, something like a teaching. Self. Print of. I like teaching only in free time. Good man. D equals to Daniel and D dot teaching. Good. Right. Let's take this example. Sir, I'm sure that's what I told very clearly. You should be very strong in books actually. Yeah, yeah. Now here, what is the discussion? Daniel is name of the class. Plus D equals to name of the object. The same point I coded many times. T dot teaching is name of the method. Teaching is what exactly? Name of the method in Daniel class. D dot teaching. Accessing the method. What is the purpose? You may ask a question. Method purpose will be perform an operation. Perform an operation. Now, see, S equals to series object. We are going to create an object like this actually. S is series object. Series what exactly? Object actually. Get ready, we are going to call a method like this. See, compare always like this. How you are calling D dot teaching. Now get ready, we are going to call S dot head actually. S dot what exactly, sir? Head. Let me tell you. Sir, you know what? Can I tell one small reality? No other trainer cannot compare like this actually. I mean, suddenly direct, I'm sorry, I'm not pointing any other trainer. The point will be how easily I'm trying to explain you have to understand. Other trainers directly they will create an object like this and they will call the method directly like this actually. First of all, ignore this one. You should know what is the S, what is the head actually. If you wanted to know what is the S dot head, then you should have an idea about this one, D dot teaching. Sir, frankly speaking, D dot teaching and S dot head almost 101% both are same actually. Both are same. Will you accept or not? If you understand how D dot teaching came, then backend you will understand very clearly how s dot came actually. Arey man, no one is not talking. Come and tell me. Can somebody talk with me? I need a minimum 20 responses actually. What happened, man? Is my internet connection is gone? My internet connection is correct only. Oh, now you guys are responding. Oh, now I understand. Like this, I need to trigger actually. If I say my internet connection is gone, then you are responding actually. Good, fine then. Now let us just have to take this one. Take this one. You can just try to come. Perfectly. Now let me show you a small example. Let me show you what exactly small example. Get ready. Import pandas as PD equals to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Good. Now come here. S equals to PD dot series. PD dot what exactly is a series? Let me provide here is a A. Now let me just try to print A. Let me just try to print what exactly. Yeah. Let us have a question. I have created series object. Name is yes. Now get ready. I have a question. What is my first question? Hey, uh, how I wanted to see. You may ask a question. I wanted to see only top five values, man. Values. Can we see? Can we see? I mean, please understand the question very well. Successfully, I have created a series object. Now, indirectly, I'm asking you a question actually. Hey man, you know what? Successfully, I have created one series object actually. Okay, object name is a yes. Can I access top five values? I wanted to see only top five values. Hey boss, you can see how to see. Come here and just try to provide some small social distance actually. Print off yes dot head method. There is a method name is called as a head actually. You know, if you wanted to sit, wow, seriously, Superman, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Do you think only 10 to 50 it is available? No. If you want, let me show you the original object actually. If you want, let me show you the original series object actually. Right. Now the first I'm printing the original series. Very good. From this series actually, I'm just trying to printing the top five. I'm just trying to printing what exactly? Top five actually. I'm sure you understand very clearly. Can I get a response from everyone? Now here, yeah, good question, man. Kusuma, nice question. Head method, it will display by default five actually. The answer will be very simple. Head method, head method, by default it displays only five. Only what exactly five. If you want, I mean, if I'm sorry, not if we want more, if you want more actually, more, then it's very simple. Then it's very simple actually, very simple. How to access more. Hey, come on boss, now just try to come here you wanted how many? Seven, huh? Then provide seven, sir. Provide seven, madam. Then you will get a seven values actually. Did you understand? This one also valid actually. Sitaram, you're right, sir. Yeah, you're right actually. Very nice. Hey, come on, see. Let me tell you, sir, coding is a fun. You have to learn like more interest actually. You have to learn and you have to show more interest. Then I'm sure all these examples are very easy, sir. Even though this is the technical discussion, this is very easy actually. We have to feel every example, understand like this actually. I wanted to access the top five value. I wanted to access the bottom five value. These are all things actually. Come on, let me open the document. This is a quick introduction. I have given a small quick introduction. I will explain step by step actually. Now click on here. Series is a predefined class. Series class having the different methods. These methods perform operations on series of values. Head method. Head is a predefined method in a series class. Sir, did you remember? Something like a upper is a predefined method in string class. Upper is a predefined method in man. This point I am covering since a long back actually. Please don't ask what is a method, sir. If you're asking me what is a method, first I will cry and I will explain later actually. We can access head method by using series object. We can access head method by using series object. This method returns the first to five values from the series actually. Super. First to five values from the series actually. Very good. Did you understand? I hope you understand. I'm moving on to the next one actually. Very good, man. Pawan is asking if there is a question actually. Let me talk about the Pawan. I'm sure other guys will understand. What Pawan is telling, head method and values attribute seems to be same because head also print the unknown values. Value also does the same actually. No, sorry, sir. Sorry, it's not same. Sorry, it's not same actually. It's not same. Let me make it clear. Sorry, s dot values returns all unknown values. I will accept your point actually. S dot values, S dot head actually returns only first unknown value. Did you understand? I'm sure. I hope I can use few words from your sentence actually. Now I need a response from Pavan. I need a response from Pavan actually. I like these kind of questions, man. Come on. Any question you can ask me. I never reject and ignore any one of your question actually. Right. All right. Come on. Come on. Move to the next one. Tail method. Was it is very simple. Now I wanted to access only last five values. I wanted to access only what exactly? Last five values. Can we access like this actually? Sir, you can access, sir. First of all, let me print the top or total series object actually. Let me just try to print the total series object. Come on, understand the description. I have created a series object. Okay. I wanted to access only last five values. Can we access actually? We can access. How to access? There is a method. Method name is called as a tail actually. Sir, S dot a tail, but not TALE. S dot a tail, but not TALE. Keep in mind that. All right. I hope you understand. Pavan sir, I hope you understand my discussion well actually. So if still having any further question, why? I already answered your question actually, right? I already answered your question. I'm sorry. So if you're still having questions, I'm happy to help you. But let me continue in my flow actually. All right. So this is the total series object which is having the 10 value. Hey, I just wanted to access the last five values. Then you can see what is the last five values actually. Tell me 10. Yeah, I'm sorry, man. 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfectly all right. These are all things actually. We are getting these are all things. I hope you are getting. All right, let's move on. But not TALE. Someone texted, hey, Daniel, tail means TALE, right? Come on, sir. Even my English is very weak, actually. Please don't get me confused. My English is very weak. Please don't get me confused, actually. Tail spelling is TALE. Otherwise, pandas will give you left and right, actually. Left and right in the sense it will throw the error. The error name is a attribute error, actually. Did you understand? I'm kidding, man. Come on. So, don't. I'm just kidding. Like, my English is very weak. Now just try to come here. Can I ask you one question? Sheila ma'am may ask a question. What is the Sheila ma'am question? Are Daniel, I wanted to access last seven values. I wanted to access last seven values actually. How to access? Can somebody talk with me? What do you need to provide here? Oh, somebody texted me. Here you need to write a seven. Sir, namaskar for you. We should not write like this actually. Somebody is texting me tail of seven actually. Sir, that kind of method is not implemented actually. Right, so if you want we can implement together. Now just try to come here seven exactly. Yeah, perfectly all right. You can just try to transfer. All right, good. Yeah, so tail is a predefined method in series class. We can access tail method by using series object. This method is the last five values from this series. What is the next? A sum method. This is seriously super good. Let me do one thing. Let me just try to come here. Yeah, import pandas as PD. Please focus. Please focus. I would like to say Monday sales. equals to 100 rupees, 1 or 2 rupees, something like 1,000 rupees, or 2,000 rupees, something like 1,500, something like 1699, something like 999, and 99 actually, something like 99 rupees. Now s equals to, let me create pd dot series. My question will be very simple. Monday sales. Get ready. I will not show my code actually, but I hope you know what I have seen. Point number one. I have created series object. Name is yes. Print. My question will be, I have created a series object. Name is yes. Now one point I wanted to say, inside yes, I have loaded with all Monday sales. Oh, very good. All Monday sales information. Sales what exactly? Information. Now my question will be very simple. My question will be, can I get can I get what is the total business on Monday? Business on Monday. Sir, this is C. I'm converting normal terminology into technical discussion. This is seriously nice discussion, man. Line by line, you have to read and you have to understand actually. First point, I have created a series object name is yes. Okay. Inside yes actually. Inside series, inside series, inside series object. I have loaded with all Monday's information. Monday sales information. Can I get the what is the total business on Monday? Hey man, it is a very simple, boss. What is a simple, Just try to come here, print off yes dot sum method. There is a method name is called as the yes dot sum actually. Perfectly all right, man. Perfectly all right. See, you no need to calculate line by line. What is that 1,000 value, 2,000, 3,000, 3,000 value, 1,500, 4,500. In between the lunch time will come actually. Either lunch time or dinner time will come if you are counting like this actually. But instead of this one, you just need to call a method. That method name is it's a very simple. Hold on. Bhupesh slicing is possible. Next one, Amos. What if you wanted to access the middle? Sir, it is absolutely possible. These are all fundamental operations I can cover. Amos is asking, can I access the middle value? Sir, there is a possibility. Median, mode, these are all things we can call actually. I will tell you later. But can I get a response? Did you understand? Sir, I have a one question. Sirisha. Sir, can you please hold on? We do have a separate discussion. Slicing, we do have a separate discussion. Please, I will cover that point actually. I will cover that point. Hmm? Kusuma Reddy, what I can say, yes, if you understand these are all discussion, even in real time, we do have a methods actually. That methods, these methods helps you to understand the real time. Best example, let me tell you. There is a cricket match actually, right? First of all, test match is required. What is required actually? Test matches, something like what exactly, it's like a test match. Test matches will help to play in real matches actually, to play in what exactly real matches. I'm sure all of these real time also available, but suddenly if you see the real time you may not understand actually, but if you understand these are all things, I hope you will understand what exactly I'm telling. I have a one great question for you. Who will explain my question? Get ready, sir. I have a one great question for you. Assuming that yes is series object, yes dot values. What is this? Yes dot head. What is this? Can somebody tell me? I need one slice and nice information, man. What is this value and what is this head actually? I will highlight all of your information. One guy is telling the answer. I need, man. Yeah, good. Shivani, Sitaram, S dot attribute, Akash. Wow, wow, sir. Literally, I'm feeling very happy today, Why? Because many guys are responding actually. You guys are talking like anything. Everyone is explaining the discussion. I'm so happy, sir. You guys made my day actually. Many case. Let us just try to take a see. Now it's a right time I need to make a note these are all guys. I got on many answers. I got it, sir. First one is telling attribute method, Shivani, attributed method, Siddharam, sir. Let me validate all of your answer. S dot values equals to attribute. S dot values prints unknown values. So S dot values provides the data. Seriously, super. Every point is valid. So thank you for responding. These kind of questions indirectly helping me. Either I need to cross validate you guys are getting or not, you guys are sleeping actually. Conclusion of the story so it is attribute simple. I need only this reply actually. This is what exactly any idea, man. Frankly speaking, nowadays many people, many students unable to unable to what exactly recognize which one is attribute, which one is method, which one is attributed method actually. Please, you should be not in the same position. When I'm talking about the attribute, you should know what do you mean by attribute actually. Please ensure that you should know. Why? Because we are literally spending nice time actually. Keep in mind that, right? So please focus on these are all very, very important fundamentals actually. All right, let's move on. 56, 45, some method actually. What is this one? Some method. Sir, some method somewhere we have covered. Where we have covered any idea? Now answer my question. Some method somewhere I have covered actually. Where I covered? Sheila ma'am, very nice response. Somebody telling just now only, just before 10 minutes we covered. Sir, seriously? Let me drink water actually. Very good, man. During a reduce function in Python programming language, during reduce function, list data structure, if you wanted to sum of the all values, I covered actually. I covered. Same thing like that here also, right? Yeah. Wow, sir, this is seriously interesting. The beauty will be, come on, hold on. Let us just try to import pandas as PD. Monday sales. First first customer came, 1,000 rupees he bought actually. Second customer came, he done window shopping, man. Third customer came, 2,000 rupees. Third customer came, window shopping. Fourth customer, 999. All these window shopping, something like my wife actually. So even she likes shopping more, but she likes to do more window shopping, right? So now let us just double on double zero. Good. Now let me just try to s equals to pd dot series. Let me just try to Monday sales. Sir, can I ask a question? My question will be, get ready. First of all, understand my question. Get ready to get my question. First one, I have created series object with Monday sales. Okay, fine. Next one. What is the next point you need to understand? Find how many total customers. First of all, find how many sales or how many sales, how many customers came actually, how many customers came. Can somebody talk with me how to get how many customers, sir? Wow, seriously nice answer, sir. Seriously nice answer. That's what we have to technical discussion we have to convert into technical, so normal discussion we have to convert into technical. Sidram nicely responded. Hey Daniel, very simple, man. How to find the customers means print the get dot size actually, sir. Seriously awesome response actually. I don't know so who are you, but frankly speaking, awesome response. Now get it out actually. Get it those things. Get it those things. Get into that one. Wow, total 6 customers came. But you know what? 6 customers out of all 6 customers they didn't buy actually. Now I wanted to know the total business. S dot sum you can do. Sir, you know what? Whenever you're calling about the S dot sum, it can perform over with the NaN sum also. Even none values also is available. It can still perform the operation. It can still perform what exactly operation. Can somebody talk with me? Why? NAN. Why it is returning? What exactly? Why it is returning even some over the NONE also? Any idea? Wow, Chef, nice response, man. Sheila responded, Bhupesh responded, Safe responded. Because it is a float data type. Because what exactly? It is a float data type. Float data type actually. If you want, you can just try to print S actually, sir. Now check it out. Good, very nice response. Exactly. Even though none would have actually, even what would you have, none would you have, we can get it out. These are all things actually. I will cover step by step. I will cover actually. If you wanted to know, Arey man, I wanted to know only how many customers bought actually. I just wanted to know how many customers bought. Also, you can got you will get to know how you will get to know. Out of total data, yes dot is null of dot sum. Also, you can get it out actually. Now observe the output. See what exactly I'm trying to do. First of all, how many customers done window shopping? First customer, second customer, two customers done window shopping actually. See, these are all discussion I will cover later. I just wanted to know how many none values would you have. I just wanted to know how many none values would you have. You can get it, sir. You can get it out actually. Step by step, these are all I will cover later. All right. Can somebody talk with me? Three methods I covered, man. How many methods I covered actually? Three methods. S dot head method. Next one. What is the next method actually? S dot leg piece method actually. Do you think leg piece method, sir? I will cry actually. What is the next method? Any idea? No one is not talking. Yeah, yeah, it is the tail method. Please, please. I kind request. We didn't discuss this. We didn't. What exactly, sir? Discuss this actually. Good. You guys are laughing actually. Yeah. So the next one is what exactly? Yes dot sum. Yes dot what exactly? Sum method. Good, 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 good. Hey, these are all methods, man. We can play with these methods like anything actually. Fine, sir. So though it is a festival mood actually, I'm giving a great offer for you. Let me close the session today. And just before 5 minutes actually, this topic I can cover in upcoming session. Upcoming session. Upcoming session. Right. Good. Sir, officially Naresh IT, Naresh IT is providing holidays, holidays actually. Even I came to my native tomorrow, day after tomorrow. These are all holidays. 13th, 14th, 15th holidays. If any extra holidays, maybe 16th is holiday or not. I mean, if I'm taking any holiday extra, I can update you over a Telegram actually. Mostly I'm not taking, but let me update you. Though I do have a family, right? Let me plan accordingly actually. All right, man. How is the today's session? Can I get a response? Divya, I already helped today to Srinivas actually. Let me try to help for you also. If anyone is facing any issues like pandas installation, I will help you. I will help you. Don't worry. I'm sure you understand today's session very nicely, sir. Thank you for nice responding, everyone. Then you sir, it's really fun class today. Today's session is so interesting. See, that's what technical discussion. If I'm comparing with something like a normal discussion, something like a window shopping, normal shopping, session is so fun, sir. Even I like this session to deliver in such a way that actually. All right, man. We done for today's session. We'll catch again and upcoming. Where exactly, sir? Please try to attend session on 16th actually. So I will help you. I will help you. Kindly please don't forget my name and course name actually. Right. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. We done for today's session. I will upload the running notes.